Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your legal insights with Bloomberg Law step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Bloomberg Law website. Log in with your credentials to access the platform. Familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. Notice the main navigation menu at the top. Locate the Research tab to explore legal resources. Select practice areas to narrow your focus on specific legal topics. Use the search bar for targeted queries. Enter relevant keywords related to your legal interest. Review the list of documents, cases, and articles generated by your search. Click on a title to delve deeper into the material. Pay attention to the document's summary and key highlights. Utilize filters on the left side to refine your search results. Explore case law by selecting cases from the suggested filters. Browse related practice tools available under the Practical Guidance section. Access analytical insights through the News section. Review trending legal developments and regulatory updates. Engage with Bloomberg Law's analytical articles for in-depth understanding. Check the Tools section for useful resources like calculators and checklists. Utilize the Litigation tab for insights on motions, filings, and verdicts. Access the Legal Research section for guided exploration of statutes and regulations. Bookmark key resources for easy access in future sessions. Consider setting up alerts on specific topics or cases to stay informed. Engage with webinars or tutorials offered directly through the platform. Leverage the community forums for networking and shared insights. Regularly review your saved materials to reinforce your knowledge. Take notes on pertinent information for your practice. Apply your newfound insights to real-world legal scenarios. Continue exploring different sections to enhance your understanding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.